Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on when you are listening to this presentation. So my name is Victor. Welcome to the channel. So this is part 4 in the how to fix a website that is hacked. How do you fix a website that has some SQL injection? How do you fix a website and make sure it's back on track? Now, we are now in the stage of trying to do some cleanups. So don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask, and I'm going to answer that as time permits. Okay, I think we stopped in. I won't bother myself so much about logs files. I can come down to that later on. The last file we worked on was on Waymarcos. Then the next file here, the rest are log files, is podori.php. What's podori.php? It looks suspicious. Podori. Oh, somewhere in Romania. What is it doing in my system or in my site? So let's see how to get this guy away. So let's trace it. Good enough. Sukuri is a very powerful plugin, right? It has very advanced features. It can alert you for integrity issues. It can alert you, and it can even do notification. I will talk about that after this particular series. After I finish fixing, I will now tell you how to set up alert systems to make sure that whenever there is any tampering, you can know. And I also go back to the security email of this site to show you some of these things that have been done and the alerts have been there. Either maybe somebody was not paying attention and the rest. Okay, so Poduri is under includes JS and jQuery file. So we'll go to WP includes. Let me even inspect this section, this area, see if I can see. Wow, look at this guy. Yabafe. Yabafe does not look like a WordPress file. This is still July. Let me check class modified. July. HTR says version. There's a lot of compromise, right? A lot of compromise have happened. So a total overhaul might be required. But for now, we want to do some cleanup and do some patch. You see, all of this happened same day. How possible? This is July 18, all same day. Look at this file. I'm doubting this file. Seems okay. Seems nice, irregular file. Look at this guy. Doubt this guy. Yes. Yeah, Buffet. Let's look at the integrity check. Why Buffet? Look at it here. So it's still in our list. So let's I think this just looks like the other regular file, so I'll just take it off right away. You got no business here. Delete. About is gone. Then what else? I think fine, good. So let's get to back to business. JS. So we're heading to JS query and this. So this is gone. This is gone. So JS, jQuery, and Podori. Look at this guy too. I doubt this guy. This guy makes sense. Awesome. This guy is going Podori. So this is how you manually clean. And there are some scripts, there are some softwares that will never get to see this stuff until able to do a manual vulnerability assessment and clean up. Okay, we're done with this. jQuery, we're done with this. Includes Javafe, we're done with this. At the root directory, these are directory. This is a root directory. We have WP log XF. So let us get this. Okay, in WP includes, let's go to some of these files. Okay, I think I will leave the jQuery files for now, or let me just pick one. Let me pick emoji release, JS emoji release, JS emoji release, jQuery, sorry, WP emoji release, WP should be down, WP, even this stuff. I doubt this guy should be really far. Right? This file is auto-generated. This file doesn't look like a real file. I'm going to come back to this because I have to do some comparison to see. Oh, what is this? This is GitHub, Dropbox, this password strength estimation. Wow. Module export. Let me see this guy. Okay, let me see this guy. Let me see this. Okay, this fix has a minor impact on performance. Let me go back and see. This fix a sad bug where contain optimal performance matches. This fix has a major impact on performance whenever fix a bug in search algorithm, short and clear code. Now counts 30K top password from this instead of earlier this. So this seems to me to be like a hacking script that's used to actually try to maybe hack files or whatever. So I will, just to keep this safe, I will see it here, 1, 2, 3. Let me check this also. These JS files. WP includes these functions. Okay, load this as by setting an access script tag before the first this. Isn't blocking load. Okay. They seem suspicious. I will move them to a new folder. Okay, I haven't created a folder, so I will just create a folder here. So I will come back to work on it, create a new folder. Then I will move 1, 2, 3. Move into work on it. I'll move these 3 files into, oh, what's happening? I cannot move them. Work on it. So I want to move these files into work on it. Move files. Multiple file may be moved to non-direction. Okay, let me move them one after the other. Move, work on it. Second one, move, work on it. Third one, move, work on it. So I'll come back later on to check this work on it folder. Oh, it's not even moving. What's happening? So okay, I think they've moved. Okay, maybe I needed to refresh. Where are they? Because of time, I'll come back to this. The video series is taking a little bit longer. So I've done this. Let me go to the WP log file that is in the root directory. Let me go back here. This should be it. This file here. This file, it's suspicious. This file is also suspicious. They all happen same day, 1, 2, 3. This file is suspicious. Let's look at it. Know what it looks like. Yes. So it's going. So normally I will pick these files and later do forensics for it. But maybe we'll do that in another video. I will delete this. July 18. Let's check last modified. July 18, settings file, load cron. Let me check this cron file. Demons, scheduling WordPress tags. Let's see. Okay, I'll come back to this file. I think, let me see if my checklist is done. Blocks. Okay, I think I'm averagely fine. I can come back to this list again. But we've done most of the files that had integrity issues. So I'll go back to security dashboard. Right? So I will go to, I'll talk about firewall later on. Sorry, I'll go to settings. And when we return, I'm going to tell you how to set up if you have a hack, post-hack, how to generate new access keys and tokens, then also how to harden your site in case you have anything that is missed, anything that you missed, then how to set up alerts on your website so that whatever happens, you can get to know. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the last session.